just a really quick intro to Weebly if you don't remember how to use it or you haven't used it before. It's pretty simple. It's all drag and drop, and that's why I really like it compared to some of the other website builders I've seen. Um, when you log in, if you haven't logged in before, you won't go to this screen. But if you already have started the website, sorry, you're going to want to click here where it says Add Site, and then this is what a lot of you will see when you get to Weebly for the first time. So the title of your website for this project, we're calling this website Who Am I? And that should be the name of your site because you lose points if it's not. So you're going to want to name it Who Am I? And then for the type of site, even though we're doing this for school, I would mark it as personal because it's going to be about you. And go ahead and hit continue. Now, when it comes to choosing your website domain, you can skip this and do this later, or you can do it right now, but you're going to want to choose a subdomain of Weebly, and this is like your URL where people would go to find your page. When you do this, you can use any combination of the letters HCMS, and then you can use your first name and middle initial. So if you want to do your first name and middle initial and then HCMS, that's fine, but you should have HCMS and your first name and your middle initial, not your last name initial, alright? And we're going to go ahead and hit continue. And then it's going to be time to start building our website. Now, when you're building the website, you should never use your first and last name. We want to be safe and we want to be smart. We don't want to give out too much personal information, so as you do this, don't give out your first and last name. Just keep it to your first name or first name and first initial, or your last name, and you can go with your middle initial too. So to get started, there's all sorts of things that you can do with the images here and editing them, clicking that. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that. The main thing I want to show you is how to add pages to your website tab. So you can see right here there's a little home tab. You want to go up here where it says pages and click on it, and this is where you add your pages. Now if you look in the instructions, it says that you need a welcome, a school, a home, and a faith page. So if I go here, I'm going to add a page. I'm sorry, your home page, you're going to want to change that to welcome, okay? Change it from home to welcome, and you're going to want to save that. And then, so we're going to go back to pages again. In this new page that I added, I'm going to change the name of that to school. And I'm going to add a page here, and I'm going to change this one to home. Page, and this is going to be whatever faith first. Alright, and this one's going to be faith, and then I'm going to save. And now you've added your 4 pages, and to get to those pages, you can click right here. So the first one that you're going to be working in is your school page. That'll be a different video. But when you get to these pages, all you need to do to add things is look at these boxes up here. If I want to put a title on this page, I can drag it down, and I might add the title, or I might say, welcome to my web page, or whatever you want to put for a title. If you want to put information, you just drag down this paragraph bar and miss it. I want to drag it down a little bit more, and you can start typing in here. Again, there's all sorts of different things that you can do. If you go through these things here and these things here to change design and all that stuff, but that's just the real basics of getting started. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.